Hi, so we're going to do a little video today on a new type of brush, and when you see it, it's obvious why they designed it like this. It's made by Harris, and they do one for fencing and one for masonry, which I'm using today. Angled masonry brush. It's 4 3/4 inches wide, 120mm wide. The width of this basically, I think it's about $8.99. I think after it's clean with water. So this is a conventional brush. You can see it's just straight, and when you're doing that with it, you're constantly doing that with your wrist. So I saw this today on Screwfix's website. It's had a bit of a bash today, and let me just get rid of some of the paint and I'll show you the angle. So you can see there that it's actually angled, so it's less strain on your wrist doing that, and it is real easy to use. It's probably one of the easiest brushes. This is masonry, and this is small pebble dash, which is notoriously difficult to paint. You get really good coverage with this brush. It's got a little, if you can see it, to the paint there, that's to hang the on the outside like that. It doesn't quite fit inside a lot of these, so
might be for bigger
probably, yeah, bigger, a great big, well,
like 10 litres or something.
Probably a 10-litre pot. Yeah. I mean, that's a little bit unfair doing that, to be honest.
10 litres, it looks like it'll work.
So,
yeah.
Sort of,
yeah.
I think it's more for the it goes on the outside,
yeah,
basically. So if you're looking for a brush to do your masonry with, and you notice I'm not having to do that, but it is quite good for even getting under up there the eaves, because you can do that with it. Do that. It's just a really well designed ergonomic brush. So
especially for painting this.
Yeah, and it's made life a lot easier. We've achieved some good results with it. You can see over there with the drain pipe. Needs a second coat. Done a bit up there today. Needs a second coat underneath and bits and bobs, but all in all, really useful tool, and hope it's helped somebody if they're looking for a brush to do the masonry with and they want to take the strain off the wrist a little bit. If you liked the video, subscribe would be helpful. Thanks very much for watching.